Question is to find length of AC. AC means, here you can see this is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find each of their side lengths. Here they were given two side lengths. We need to find the hypotenuse square. Okay, hypotenuse square. Let's construct the equation. That is hypotenuse square AC square equals to the adjacent sides squares. So that means 28 square plus 21 square. Okay, 21 square. Just Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then we can write think without this power. Okay, think without this index. 28 can be written as 4 times 7. 4 times 7 and its square. Okay, here there is a square. No? That's why I indicated square. Plus 21 square can be written as 3 times 7 square. 3 times 7 square. Okay, don't confuse with this. 28 square means 4 times 7 square. 21 square means 3 times 7 square. Then let's expand this. While expansion, here you can see both has the power. Okay, commonly there is a power, no? There is a square. So when we expand this, we can write like this: 4 square multiplied with 7 square. This square belongs to both of these numbers. Plus, here also there is a square. 3 square multiplied with 7 square. 3 square multiplied with 7 square. Then, after that, here we can write, here you have to think about the factorization. Factorization. That means both of these components have 7 square. Okay. Don't expand this. Okay. 4 square 16. Don't do like that. Before that, we can get a factor. That is 7 square because both of these components have 7 square with that. So we can select 7 square as a factor. The remainders are 4 square plus 3 square. In both of these components, I selected 7 square as a factor. Then after, the factorization should be 7 square into 4 square plus 3 square. After that, I'll keep the 7 square as it is. Here you can see 4 square means that is 16 plus 3 square means that's 9. That is 9. So 7 square, okay. 16 plus 9, it's 25. It's 25. Okay. It is 25. Just look at these steps clearly. Okay. Don't confuse with these. Each of these steps are very easy. Just look at this factorization. After that, I just expanded these two values. Okay. These two values. So 4 square 16, 3 square 9. 16 plus 9, it's 25. It's 25. We can represent 25 as a square number. 25 as a square number, that is 5 square. That is 5 square. Okay. After that, here AC square. AC square equals to 5, 7 into 5 whole square. We can write like this. Okay. Look at this. 7 square and 5 square. Previously we expanded, no? When we expand this expression, that will give you 4 square, 7 square. Likewise, when we have a factor like this, okay, when we have a factor like this, we can write it as 7 into 5 whole square because both of these components have square particles. So we can select 7 times 5 the whole square. After that, just think without decimal. Sorry, without index. Sorry. Just think without index. Both have the index as 2. Now think without index because both of these have index. No? So finally your answer AC should be 7 times 5. That will be 35 meters. 35 meters. Okay, I'll repeat once more what we did here. There are some other methods also, but in that case you have to find so much work. That's why there is a hint here to do your question in this manner by using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to 2 adjacent sides square. So AC square equals to 28 square plus 21 square. According to a hint, we can express 28 as 4 times 7. So 4 times 7, it's whole square. Plus 3 times 7, it's whole square. Then when I expand this expression, that will give you 4 square into 7 square, because both of these components have square particle. No? So that's why I expanded like this. Then 3 square plus 7 square. After that, you can see both of these components have 7 square with that. So let's factorize. Let's factorize 7 square. Inside of this bracket, we can have 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square plus 3 square. Then after, you have to expand this. Okay, expand this furthermore. 7 square remains same. 4 square means 16. 3 square 9. Then 16 plus 9 is 25. We can write 25 as 5 square. 25 as 5 square. After that, you should write like this. Okay, write this as a 7 multiple. Okay, write this as a 7 multiple to find your answer. 7 times 5, it's whole square. 7 times 5, it's whole square. Then finally, both has square. Think without the index. AC equals to 35 meters. This is the way you have to find AC length. Okay, here they were indicated the hint. So you should use this method to find your answer. AC is equals to 35 meters. Second question, it is required to build a fence around the whole flower bed. Find the length of the fence. Okay, length of this fence. Okay. This is our flower bed. Okay, flower bed. We are going to construct a fence. Okay, required to build a fence. That means we are going to cover the whole edges. Whole edges. That means we know this is 35. This is 21. You should find this arc length. Okay, if we find the arc length, it's easy to find the total perimeter of this flower bed. Okay, let's find that. We have to find this BC arc length. Okay, BC. For that, 2 phi r multiplied with theta upon 360. Then 2 phi 22 upon 7. Here you can see the diameter is 28 meters. So the radius should be half of this. That is 14 meters. Radius should be 14 meters. Into 14 theta. This is a semicircle. So we can use half. Okay. This is semicircle now. So we can use the fraction as half. After that, we have to simplify. Yeah, we can simplify these two, and this one can be simplified with this 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14. After that, 22 twos are 44 meters. 44 meters is the arc length of this BC portion. Arc length of this BC portion is 44 meters. Find the length of this fence. That means we have to find the perimeter of this shape. So the perimeter equals to sum of all these 21, 35 and 44. Okay, this is going to be our perimeter. 21 meters plus 35 meters plus 44 meters. Okay, 100 meters. 100 meters is the perimeter. So we need 100 meter length fence equipments to build a fence around this whole flower bed. Okay, find the area of semicircular portion. Okay, this is a semicircular portion. We will find the area. Okay, to find the area, we have to use our formula for area. Phi r square multiplied with theta upon 360. Theta upon 360. Phi is 22 upon 7. Then our radius, we found the radius as 14 meters. So 14 into 14. 14 square, no? So 14 into 14. Hence it is a semicircle. We can use the fraction as 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. After that, we have to simplify this furthermore. 7 and 2 can be simplified with this 14. And 22 14s are, it's 2, 8. 308 square meters. 308 square meters is the area of the semicircular portion. Okay, fourth part question. It is required to add a rectangular plot that is of area equal to the area of semicircular portion. Okay, we already found the semicircular portion area as 308 square meters. With AB as a side, okay, we are going to draw a rectangular portion. It's one side, okay, it's one side is allied on AB, allied on AB. Okay, next, outside the triangular portion, okay, that rectangular should be located outside of this triangular portion, outside of this triangular portion. Draw a sketch of this rectangular with measurements in the above figure. It is required to add rectangular plot area equal to the semicircular with AB as a side. Okay, this is the way you have to construct. Okay, this is the way you have to draw your rectangular portion. Okay, rectangular portion. One side is allied on AB. So, the length, okay, length of this rectangular equals to 21 meters. Then, draw the sketch of this rectangular with measurements. Measurements of rectangular means length and width. Length and width. We know the length. Okay, we have to find width of this rectangular. Width of this rectangular. For that, we can use another thing. Because the data given, that is area of this rectangular equals to area of this semicircular portion. So, we don't know what is the breadth. Okay, when we consider it as our length, 21 as our length, we don't know what is the breadth. We need that to our measurement. So, to find area of rectangular, we have to use formula length into width. So, 21 multiplied with x equals to the area, that is 308. Okay, that is 308. Then after, to find x, you should divide 308 by 21. 21. So 308 divided by 21, that is 14.66 meters. 14.66 meters. Then we will replace this x with 14.66 meters. This is the way you have to construct the sketch of rectangular for this question.